Situated to the west of the busy Western Railway line is an address that is much sought after. Malad West. What was once home to the city's original inhabitants, the Kohlis, has transformed into a commercial and residential hub that houses diverse communities. Malad has developed into a hub of information, technology and BPO firms. With opportunities abound, the concept of walk to work is coming alive in Malad. There are numerous other companies that dot the area. Several industrial estates exist in Kandivali, an immediate neighbor of Malad. The residents of Malad are spoiled for choice with numerous entertainment options that cater to diverse consumer groups. The locality is home to several malls, multiplexes and eateries. To those who want to unwind amidst nature, the popular beaches and resorts that dot the western shores are a great option. The locality is self-sufficient with the presence of leading schools and hospitals among other amenities. In the months to come, Malad is set to witness large-scale infrastructure development. A special economic zone for gems and jewellery has been sanctioned by the government to be set up in neighbouring Goregaon. The second phase of the metro, starting from Mankurd, is most likely to extend till Dahisar. This would mean enhanced connectivity for Malad West with Bandra and the eastern suburbs. The opportunities here have sparked a residential boom with several upcoming projects. Amongst them is a project that takes the cake. Spread on 8 lush acres with more than 40 lifestyle luxuries is Auris Serenity, a luxury offering by Transcon Shade Creator Private Limited. The project is conveniently located at just a couple of kilometers from the SV Road, 3.6 kilometers from the Western Express Highway and 2.6 kilometers from Malad Station. There are several entertainment options around, with Infinity Mall, In-Orbit, Hypercity and Goregaon Sports Club at a distance of within 1 kilometer each. Auris Serenity is loaded with amenities such as 2 state-of-the-art clubhouses, 2-level eco deck spread over 4 acres, seamless river pool, family pool deck, sports arenas, grill bar, function deck and jogging tracks among many others. A dedicated parking area spreads across 7 floors. Designed by internationally renowned architects, the homes are at a height of 98 feet and above from ground level with sea view facing apartments off Link Road. A host of luxuries come together here in the heart of Malad West. Auris Serenity, the art of luxury living.